Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Peptidization is conversion of a colloidal solution into precipitate form, conversion of a precipitate into colloidal sol, conversion of metal into colloidal sol by passage of electric current, conversion of colloidal sol into macromolecules. So इस question का जो key concept है that is the peptidization. Key concept of this question is peptidization. So let us see peptidization क्या होता है. पेप्टाइजेशन एक प्रोसेस है इन विच जो प्रेसिपिटेट है that are converted into the colloidal solution by adding suitable amount of the electrolyte. The conversion of precipitate into colloidal solution and colloidal solution वो होते हैं which has the size of particle in between 1 to 100 nanometer. So it is the conversion of precipitate into colloidal solution by adding a suitable electrolyte and जो electrolyte ऐड किया जाता है that is the stabilizing agent and it is also termed as the peptizing agent. For an example, जो हमारे पास फेरिक क्लोराइड का सॉल्यूशन है that is added to the precipitate of ferric hydroxide. Example, FeCl3 solution added to the precipitates of ferric hydroxide and जो हाइड्रोक्साइड होंगे आयन होंगे that will be dispersed into the colloidal solution by absorbing the ferric ions को absorb कर लेंगे and by this we can say जो ions होंगे electrolyte के that got absorbed on the ions of the precipitate and जब वो absorb होंगे तो repel करेंगे एक दूसरे को due to which there will be breaking into the particles और जो precipitate है वो colloidal size के particles के बराबर हो जाएंगे hence it will be converted into the colloidal solution. So by this we can say जो हमारा आंसर होगा that will be option B, conversion of precipitate into colloidal sol. Option B is final answer. Conversion of precipitate into colloidal sol. So option B is the final answer of this question और A, C and D जो है these are incorrect regarding the peptidization. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.